A celebration of salmon, the Matsuri Platter. The Matsuri Platter, a vibrant and colorful array of sushi and other delicacies, is a feast for both the eyes and the palate, offering a sensory experience like no other. This Japanese tradition, often served during festivals and celebrations, beautifully showcases the versatility of fresh, sushi-grade salmon, a staple in Japanese cuisine. The star of our platter, salmon, takes center stage in a variety of preparations, each highlighting its delicate flavor and buttery texture, making it a true delight. Whether you're hosting a special occasion or simply seeking an impressive and delicious meal, the Salmon Matsuri Platter is sure to delight your guests, leaving a lasting impression. Imagine the scene: a beautiful platter piled high with glistening slices of salmon sashimi, artfully rolled nigiri, and colorful maki, each piece a work of art. The aroma of freshly cooked sushi rice mingles with the tangy scent of pickled ginger, creating an irresistible invitation to gather and enjoy, fostering a sense of community. This guide will lead you step by step through the process of creating your own stunning salmon matsuri platter at home. Don't be intimidated by the intricacies of sushi. It's an art that can be mastered. With a little patience and practice, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve, even in your own kitchen. So gather your ingredients, prepare your workspace, and get ready to embark on a culinary journey to the heart of Japanese cuisine. Let's begin this exciting adventure together. Gathering your ingredients. A symphony of flavors. Before we begin our sushi journey, let's take a moment to gather our ingredients. The success of our Matsuri platter hinges on the quality and freshness of our ingredients, especially the salmon. Seek out sushi-grade salmon from a reputable fishmonger. This ensures it has been properly handled and frozen to eliminate any parasites. For the salmon Matsuri platter, you will need sushi rice, rice vinegar, sugar, salt wakame salad, dried wakame seaweed, rice vinegar, soy sauce, toasted sesame seeds, salmon preparations, nori seaweed sheets, avocado, sesame seeds, pickled ginger garnishes, lemon slices, soy sauce, wasabi paste pickled ginger. These ingredients, carefully selected and prepared, will come together to create a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Equipping your kitchen tools for sushi success. Creating a salmon matsuri platter is not just about the ingredients. It's also about having the right tools at your disposal. These tools will make the process smoother and more enjoyable, allowing you to focus on the art of sushi making. Here's what you'll need. A sharp knife. A sharp knife is essential for slicing the salmon thinly and evenly. A bamboo rolling mat. This will help you roll the sushi tightly and neatly. A rice cooker. A rice cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking sushi rice, ensuring it's cooked to perfection. A small bowl of water. Keep a bowl of water nearby to wet your hands when handling the sushi rice. A serving platter. Choose a beautiful platter to showcase your culinary masterpiece. With these tools at the ready, you'll be well equipped to embark on your sushi making adventure. Section 4. The heart of the platter: crafting perfect sushi rice. The foundation of any great sushi dish is perfectly cooked sushi rice. It's the essential element that can make or break your sushi experience. It's the canvas upon which we'll paint our culinary masterpiece. Achieving the right texture and flavor is crucial. Follow these steps to achieve sushi rice perfection. First, rinse the rice thoroughly. Place the sushi rice in a fine mesh sieve and rinse under cold running water until the water runs clear. This step is vital to remove impurities. This removes excess starch and ensures fluffy rice. Next, cook the rice to perfection. Combine the rinsed rice and water in your rice cooker according to the manufacturer's instructions. Precision is key here. Once cooked, let the rice rest for 10 minutes with a lid on. This resting period allows the rice to settle. While the rice is resting, prepare the sushi vinegar. This mixture will give the rice its signature flavor. Combine rice vinegar, sugar, and salt in a small saucepan and heat gently until the sugar dissolves. Stir continuously. Then fold in the vinegar. This step is crucial for flavor infusion. Gently fold the sushi vinegar into the cooked rice using a rice paddle or wooden spoon. Be gentle to maintain the rice's texture. Be careful not to mash the rice. Finally, cool the rice to room temperature. Once the vinegar is evenly distributed, spread the rice on a baking sheet to cool to room temperature. This ensures the rice is ready for sushi making. Section 5. A refreshing counterpoint: preparing the wakame salad. The wakame salad, with its refreshing flavor and vibrant green color, provides a welcome counterpoint to the richness of the salmon. It's a simple salad to prepare, yet it adds a wonderful dimension of flavor and texture to our Matsuri platter. To prepare the wakame salad, first, rehydrate the wakame. Place the dried wakame seaweed in a bowl of cold water and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes, or until rehydrated. Next, drain and chop. Drain the wakame and squeeze out any excess water. Chop it into bite-sized pieces. Then, make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the rice vinegar, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Finally, toss and serve. Add the wakame to the dressing and toss to coat. Sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds before serving. Your wakame salad is now ready to grace your Matsuri platter. Its refreshing flavor and crunchy texture will cleanse the palate between bites of salmon. Section 6. Salmon Center Stage. A variety of preparations. In this section, we delve into the art of preparing salmon in various traditional styles, each bringing out unique flavors and textures. Now comes the heart of our Matsuri platter, preparing the salmon. This is where the magic happens, transforming fresh salmon into exquisite dishes. We'll explore 4 classic preparations: sashimi, nigiri, avocado and sesame chumaki, and hosomaki. Each method highlights the versatility and delicate flavor of salmon. Each showcases the salmon's delicate flavor and allows for creativity in presentation. First, salmon sashimi. Slice the salmon. This preparation is all about simplicity and purity. Using a very sharp knife, slice the salmon against the grain into thin, bite-sized pieces. Arrange on the platter. The key is precision and care. Arrange the salmon slices on the platter, slightly overlapping. Next, salmon nigiri. Prepare the rice. This step is crucial for the perfect bite. Wet your hands with water to prevent sticking. This simple step makes handling the rice much easier. Shape a small amount of sushi rice into an oblong shape. The rice should be firm but not too compact. Add the wasabi if desired. Wasabi adds a spicy kick that complements the salmon. If desired, add a small dab of wasabi paste to the top of the rice. Drape the salmon. The wasabi should be subtle, enhancing the flavor without overpowering it. Drape a slice of salmon over the rice, pressing gently to secure. The salmon should cover the rice completely. Then salmon, avocado, and sesame chumaki. Prepare the nori sheet. This roll combines the richness of salmon with the creaminess of avocado. Lay a nori sheet shiny side down on the bamboo rolling mat. Spread the rice. The rice should be evenly distributed. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice over the nori, leaving a small border at the top edge. Add the fillings. The combination of salmon and avocado is a classic. Arrange thin slices of salmon and avocado across the center of the rice. Roll the chumaki. The rolling technique is key to a tight, well-formed roll. Using the bamboo mat, carefully roll the chumaki away from you, applying gentle pressure to create a tight roll. Slice and serve. Each piece should be uniform in size. Using a sharp knife, slice the chumaki into bite-sized pieces. Finally, salmon hosomaki. This roll is simpler and smaller than chumaki. Follow steps 1 to 3 from the chumaki instructions. Roll and slice. The hosomaki is a perfect bite-sized treat. Roll the hosomaki tightly and slice into thinner pieces compared to chumaki. Each piece should be a perfect balance of rice and salmon. Section 7. The art of presentation. Assembling your masterpiece. With our salmon prepared and the wakame salad ready, it's time for the grand finale, assembling our Matsuri platter. This is where your creativity can truly shine. First, choose your platter. Opt for a platter that can comfortably accommodate all the elements, allowing each to stand out. Next, arrange the salmon. Start by arranging the sashimi and nigiri at the center of the platter. Fan out the sashimi for visual appeal. Then place the maki. Arrange the chumaki and hosomaki around the sashimi and nigiri, creating a balanced and visually appealing composition. Add the wakame salad. Place a small mound of wakame salad on the platter, either in a bowl or directly on the platter. Finally, garnish generously. Garnish with lemon slices, pickled ginger, and additional wasabi. Serve with soy sauce on the side. Your salmon Matsuri platter is now ready to take center stage at your next gathering. It's a testament to your culinary skills and a beautiful celebration of Japanese cuisine. Enjoy!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.